How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It's another day of working on the Miata. Kind of the final steps, guys. The final steps are here. We're getting there. As you can see, she's just sitting pretty, like as always. Besides back. So today, guys, we didn't do much because we were waiting for the big thing. Today is the day I'm installing my gated shifter into the car. The only thing that we did do was, like I was talking about, we capped these two lines off so now the car can run and start the car up, fill the air tanks up, lift the car up, and then we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna install the gated shifter. Just when everyone in the party decides to show up, we're gonna throw the shifter in. The only thing I did do today off camera was I put these bad boys in. MX5 mods make these MX5 mods no longer an active business, I think. Little hazard switch. Nice little switch button. These are brushed aluminum to go with the brushed HVAC plate and then the brushed radio cage. All three of these items. It looks pretty good. Fire the car up here right now. Haven't started it yet today. The steering wheel's kind of locked on me. That's good. Parking brakes up. We are in neutral. Fire it up. There we go. And then I've already taken my center console apart actually for this for the install of the shifter. Just do my little kill switch here for my compressors, and we're gonna check back in once the boys are here. Ready to go. We got a collection of things. I should have set you up over here to look at everything that is required for the install of the MX5 mods. 1 of 20, technically 1 of 19. Gated shifter, Lamborghini shifter, designed by Lamborghini, evolved for the Miata. It's happening right now.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear this thing.
What?
I can't wait to hear it.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's like,
yeah.
it's gonna be pretty notchy, I think. It's like the throw's like quite a bit shorter than stock too.
You're notchy.
Look at that.
Damn.
Usually stock.
Oh shit.
Yeah. It is also like custom machine, CNC machine.
Yeah, like that. Yeah. You're gay, bro.
There's a fucking write-up he gives you. No, you cannot buy this, so don't ask if it's available to buy. It's 1 of 19.
You can't buy this?
Can't buy it.
Oh.
1 of 19, and he went out of business after he made these.
Are you serious?
Ouch.
Yeah, he actually like shut his business down before he even made them. I was like, bro, are you still making it? He's like, yeah, and then I'm done. That's where I got.
So you're like the only one ever, like besides the other 19 guys.
Yeah, that's it. That's all there will ever be.
So
wow, Lorenzo with 19 guys. Sounds pretty sus.
Sounds pretty normal to me.
Oh, just a normal
Just
day
a
for
good
us.
old time with the friends. Taking my center console out. So now what we gotta do is the rubber insulator, or sorry, the sound deadening comes up, the rubber insulator needs to come up and out and off. And then we gotta make some modifications to the rubber boot.
Hi, Rob.
And then we just start dropping the stuff in. Now, before I get roasted with my instructions in hand, I would like to point out that I did do a shifter rebuild on my car like less than 5,000 kilometers ago. So I did not buy new shifter stuff because we do not have it in Canada and I didn't feel like paying $100 again. So I'm cutting up a brand new OEM boot and I'm reusing my old bushings because, yeah, they're brand new basically.
Yo, you could
Out of the way!
do me a favor.
Hello.
If this gets 10 likes, I'll stance my next car.
Oh! No! notchy. Fifth gear is gonna be a pain in the ass to get into. But whatever.
I think if you put your shift knob on it,
said this to Ali.
it won't be so much of a pain. That was pretty stinky. Bro.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Wow, a knob really makes a difference, eh?
Who would have thought it?
I like your fuzz, G. On today's episode of Calling Ramirez.
What do you want?
On today's episode of Calling Ramirez. Ramirez, what are you doing right now?
I am about to rob a bank.
That's illegal, everyone. Don't do that. What are you actually doing? Get the f-
Flaring my nostrils.
You can't see, it's just black.
Oh, that's
Ah,
racist.
sorry.
Who are you with?
without my consent.
Who are you with? Jason! On today's episode, we got Jason.
Deposit.
You sent me the states.
Here,
No,
look.
he's in Canada.
Nielsen, too.
He's in Toronto.
Whoa!
We got the whole Thai
COVID-19.
family. COVID-19's not real. Hey, Nick, guess what?
Bye.
No. What? Bye. What are you saying bye for?
What? Guess what? What?
I hung up on him. No, you're allowed to be on the news. I'm too young to be on the news. Daddy, chill. What the hell is even that? Awfully sus.
What?
Nielsen asked, who did he tell you that to?
Tell what to who?
Nielsen asked, who did he tell you that to?
Bro, your question's not making sense to me. It's not processing in my system. You're literally doing the troll the.
I'm not doing anything, bro. Nielsen was asking you, who did he tell you that to?
Fun on your fucking your phone. Thanks everyone for watching this video. This is the end of the video. We have officially completed and documented the whole reassembly process of my car from paint. Nielsen absolutely dialed the fitment, which you didn't see because that happened before paint. Assisted with putting back the car, putting the car back together. Kyle killing the filming, Kyle H. Mort.
And Marcus.
And XTIL and somewhat Marcus. And yeah. So follow along, stay subscribed if you already are. If not, please subscribe, like the video, comment below, hit the notification bell if need be. There will be more cars that we are working on in the near future. He might be getting a car this summer. He should get a car this summer. Filmer Kyle just got a new car. Friends got cars. We see things. We see stuff. We go places. So we did that. That's the truth. So thank you once again, everyone, and have a good night or have a good time if this is the morning, afternoon, whatever the it
heck?
is. So bye bye. Stuff.